Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named Jimmy. From a young age, Jimmy was known for his boundless energy and unwavering determination. He had big dreams and an even bigger heart. Little did he know that his passion for creating entertaining content would one day lead him to become the legendary figure we now know as MrBeast. Jimmy's journey began when he discovered the magical world of YouTube, fascinated by the power of the platform to connect with people from all walks of life. He decided to start his own channel. Armed with a camera and an infectious enthusiasm, he began uploading videos of himself engaging in daring challenges and comedic skits. As Jimmy's channel grew, so did his desire to make a positive impact on the world. He realized that he had been blessed with a platform that could reach millions of people, and he wanted to use it to spread kindness and make a difference. And so, MrBeast was born. MrBeast's first act of philanthropy took the form of donating $10,000 worth of items to homeless shelters. The video went viral, capturing the attention of viewers far and wide. Inspired by the impact he could make, MrBeast decided to go bigger. He brainstormed outrageous challenges and stunts that would not only entertain, but also change lives. From giving away stacks of cash to complete strangers on the street to hosting last-to-leave challenges where contestants could win thousands of dollars, MrBeast pushed the boundaries of generosity. He believed that by challenging people to push their limits, he could inspire them to believe in themselves and create a ripple effect of positivity in the world. But MrBeast's philanthropy wasn't just about entertaining his audience. He recognized the urgent need to address environmental issues, and he launched the Team Trees initiative. With the goal of planting 20 million trees, MrBeast rallied his fans and fellow creators to come together and make a lasting impact on the planet. As his channel continued to grow, MrBeast's influence reached new heights. People from all corners of the globe began to see him as a beacon of hope, a symbol of what one person could achieve. With determination and a generous spirit, he used his platform not just for personal gain but to uplift others and make their dreams come true. MrBeast's legacy extended beyond YouTube. He established the MrBeast Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting causes and making a lasting difference in the world. From fighting poverty to advancing education, the foundation became a driving force of positive change. Years passed, and MrBeast's impact only grew stronger. His name became synonymous with philanthropy, kindness, and making dreams come true. He continued to inspire millions with his unwavering dedication to making the world a better place. And so, the story of MrBeast serves as a reminder to us all that no dream is too big and no act of kindness is too small.